Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, April the 14th, I've got 5 press releases for you. Let's start you off first with Dynacor Gold Mines, DNG, on the TSX. They announced that they produced 9,926 ounces of gold in Q1. This is an increase of 92% over last year and in line with management's target. They expect production from Q2 onwards to steadily increase. Objective for the year is hit 45,000 ounces of gold. Do the math. Jean Martineau, President and CEO, said the company is on course to reporting one of its best Q1 results in terms of gold sales, cash flow, and profitability. Closed yesterday $1.65, 15 cents on the 52-week low. Great number there. 213 on the high. We're seeing some of these companies that are starting to come back, and let me tell you what it's doing this morning. Dynacor is looking at a 168 open as of now, so looks like the market likes that news. Next up, Champion Minerals, CHM on TSX, and P02 on Frankfurt for our German friends. They announced that they hit 235 meters of 33.8% iron. That's massive. This is from their Fire Lake North project in Quebec. The company is currently completing about 18,000 meters of infill and extensional drilling. Looks like they want to improve the numbers they put out in their resource estimate and preliminary economic assessment back on November 3rd, 2010. Closed yesterday 217, 87 on the low, 330 on the 52-week high. And Champion's looking 211 this morning, so a little bit of weakness there. I'm feeling that the market is feeling a little bit tired right now. Sandspring Resources, SSP, they announced infill drill results. Looks like 138 meters of 2.09 grams ton gold, 0.19% copper. This is on the gold copper deposit in Guyana. The company put out a preliminary economic assessment. Looks like back on March 22nd. Annual production over the first 4 years of operation expected to be about 310,000 ounces of gold, 29 million pounds of copper, average cash cost of $317 per ounce of gold, net of all the copper. So that's a pretty good number there. Closed yesterday 288, $1.09 on the low, 375 on the 52-week high. Sandspring is looking like 288 on the open right now, so not much movement there, not much excitement. Great Panther Silver, GPR on the TSX, GPL for our friends in the U.S. First quarter production of silver is increased by 15%. Gold up 45%. That's year over year from the two wholly owned Mexican silver mining operations. The mines produced 410,000 ounces of silver, 2,300 ounces of gold, 241 tons of lead, and 345 tons of zinc. So big numbers there. I told you silver and gold was up. The lead was down by 17%, and zinc is unchanged. But if you're going to be up anywhere, you want to be up in the gold and silver, and you don't mind being down on the lead. Silver equivalent, 607,000 ounces. That's 7% higher sequentially. That's a nice number. 15% over last year. They say they're one of the fastest growing primary silver producers in Mexico. Strong leverage to future rise in the price of silver. Closed yesterday 379, 67 cents on the low, 490 on the 52-week high. Great Panther here looking like 383 on the open. So the market likes the news, it looks like. And you got some big you got some big bid and ask there. So it looks like there's going to be action in Great Panther. And finally, Banro Corp, AMEX, BAA, TSX, BAA. They're confirming mine construction progress on the Phase 1 gold project is on schedule with commercial production beginning Q4 2011. You know we like news like that. They got a cash position right now, about $94 million. It's $25 million more than they budgeted for the cost to complete the oxide processing plant. Always nice to know when a company's got $25 million extra cash lying around. So congratulations to Simon Village, Chairman and CEO of the company over there. They closed yesterday 235. Trading is just open on Banro, up at 244. It's literally just open on good volume, so the market likes this news. 52-week low, $1.60, 52-week high, 441. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 5 great press releases for you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.